You don't know how to use your flashlight, so here are some ways how to turn on or turn off the flashlight on your Android device using the built-in settings and with the Google Assistant. And watch it till the end because I will give you a life hack how to turn on your flashlight even faster. So the fifth method is gonna be to swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. Here you locate your flashlight icon. And in order to activate it, simply tap on it. And as you see, our flashlight is activated. To deactivate it, tap on this icon again. When it loses its color, it means the flashlight is off. The second way is to use your Google Assistant. So just ask it, "Hey Google, turn on my flashlight."
I turned on your flashlight.
As you see, the flashlight is on. And we can also ask it to turn it off. "Hey Google, turn off the flashlight."
I turned off the flashlight.
The flashlight is off. Before you do that, make sure that you have your Hey Google set up and it has all the necessary permissions. We have a video on that. And as an extra bonus, on some phones, you may add your flashlight right to your home screen through the widget. And if you cannot find your flashlight in your quick settings, you're to tap on this pencil icon, then choose top or full, press edit, and here locate your flashlight icon. I have it added. However, if it's not there, you will definitely find it in your available buttons screen. Now press done, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.